Now children, some common chemical properties of aromatic halide or haloarine, right? And conversions which are based on chemical properties. Now children, first chemical property of aromatic halide. Conversion of chlorobenzene into phenol, right? By hydrolysis process. But this hydrolysis occurs under drastic conditions, specific conditions, right? At very high pressure and high temperature. Why? Because this carbon halogen bond cleavage is very difficult under normal conditions, at normal pressure and normal temperature. This process is also known as DOS process. DOS process. Conversion of chlorobenzene into phenol by DOS process. Right? Next is conversion of chlorobenzene into diphenyl. Di means two and phenyl means phenyl nuclei. One benzene ring, second benzene ring, then bonding between two, not fusion. Bonding between two rings. Right? This reaction occurs in the presence of sodium metal and dry ether. Okay children, Fittig reaction. Woods reaction, conversion of haloalkanes into hydrocarbon having double number of carbon atoms, and this is Fittig reaction, conversion of aromatic halides or haloarine into hydrocarbon having double number of carbon atoms. In this ring, 6 carbon atoms are present, right? And in product side just double. Okay children, this is Fittig reaction, right? And reaction condition, sodium metal, dry ether. Dry means without water or anhydrous because sodium is highly reactive metal. Okay children, then conversion of chlorobenzene into diphenyl. But in separate reaction, right here 2, then this chlorobenzene. 2 molecules of chlorobenzene because in product side 2 rings are drawn here. Okay children. Next one is halogenation. Further halogenation. Chlorobenzene is halide, aromatic halide. But when excess of chlorine gas is passed in the presence of ferric chloride, FeCl3, this is electrophilic displacement reaction or electrophilic substitution of chlorobenzene. This chlorobenzene is electron rich center due to ortho-para directing effect of halogen. 2 ortho positions and 1 para position. All 3 positions are electron rich. Right? On further chlorination, then what happens? Displacement of 1 ortho hydrogen and 1 para hydrogen and formation of dichlorobenzene. Ortho dichlorobenzene, para dichlorobenzene, or 1,2 dichlorobenzene and 1,4 dichlorobenzene. Okay children? One is ortho isomer, second is para isomer. Which isomer is more stable? Para, due to symmetric structure. Second reason, due to less steric hindrance between 2 chlorine atoms. Next one, reaction of chlorobenzene or haloarine in the presence of magnesium metal and ether. This is Grignard reaction. Grignard, right? And what is the final product of Grignard reaction? Grignard reagent. General formula for Grignard reagent is RMgX. But when aromatic halide is taken, then ARMgX. Organometallic halide, right? And on hydrolysis, this Grignard reagent gives hydrocarbon. Right? In the presence of acidic water, then conversion of this benzene, magnesium chloride into benzene. This is the advantage of this Grignard reaction. Right? We can convert chlorobenzene or haloarine into parent hydrocarbon, and parent hydrocarbon of haloarine is arine. It means benzene. Okay children? But preparation of this Grignard reagent in anhydrous condition, right? Because in the presence of moisture, or humid contents. What occurs? Hydrolysis of Grignard reagent into hydrocarbon. This is a special precaution during this reaction, during this process. Next is nitration. Nitration of haloarine in the presence of concentrated nitric acid and sulfuric acid. Right? This mixture is required for nitration. Right? This group is OP directing, then one NO2 nitro group goes to at ortho position and second is para. Right? This is ortho position and second is para position. Para means anti-parallel. Okay children? Sorry, second isomer is para. NO2. This is ortho isomer. At which position? Ortho position NO2 group is present. Ortho nitro derivative. And this is para nitro derivative of chlorobenzene. Okay? Because this halogen is OP directed group. Next is alkylation. Right? Which alkylation? Friedel-Crafts alkylation. Friedel-Crafts alkylation in the presence of aliphatic halide and anhydrous aluminum chloride. Then electrophilic substitution occurs. Electrophilic, right? Attack of electrophile, which is alkyl group at ortho position and para position. Then formation of two isomers. This is ortho alkylated chlorobenzene. This is para alkylated chlorobenzene. Okay, children. This is chemical property and conversion of chlorobenzene into methylated derivative, right? Or alkylated derivative. If C2H5 is taken, then attachment of C2H5 and para position and ortho position. Now next one, reaction with CuCl, right? Cuprocyanide, CuCl, in the presence of pyridine. On hitting, the displacement of Cl by Cl. This is cyanobenzene, attachment of cyano group, or conversion of haloarine into nitrile. Cyanide group containing compounds are also known as nitrile. Right, or cyanide. Okay children, same reactant in the presence of acylating agent like CS3COCl, right, and anhydrous aluminum chloride, then formation of ketone group. Ketone means acid of phenol. Attachment of CO, CS3 at para position, at ortho position and para position. This is para. Anti-parallel means para, and this is ortho. Okay children, this is a roadmap for chemical properties of chlorobenzene and conversion of chlorobenzene in different products. Right, conversion of chlorobenzene into phenol, diphenyl group, dichlorobenzene, like this. Pure hydrocarbon also, when this process is followed by Grignard reaction is followed by hydrolysis, then final product is benzene. Okay children, this is the importance of this roadmap. Complete study of chemical properties and conversion also.